stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jada Vinci here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to put your full lace, your lace front wigs into a sleek ponytail, making it look super cute, very like it's your hair. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then keep watching. As promised, I'm gonna show you guys how I put my full lace wigs, my lace front wigs into a cute ponytail. You will need to start off with like wet hair. So this is what it's looking like wet. It's pretty cute. You're gonna determine if you want a middle part, side part, straight back, whatever it is. But I think today we're gonna go for a middle part swoop. We're gonna see what we want. Why you need your hair wet is because when it's wet you can manipulate it more, kind of really slick it down when it's wet, because if it was dry you wouldn't get the full, you know, full effect. If you like baby hairs, you'll pull them out. Baby hairs are definitely up to you. And now that the hair is pretty slicked, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with our Denman brush. The more water on your hair, the better. I have a full tutorial on how I installed this unit. I'll link it in the card, so be sure to check it out. But I'm gonna just go put a bit more, just a little bit more water on my hair. Then I'm gonna go get my hair mousse. BRB. Okay, so I put some more water on my hair, just so we could really like slick everything down. You know how like women or girls, guys, they'll go in with the flat iron, or the hot comb? This will mimic that. So I'm gonna go on with some hair mousse. This is just the argan oil. And this is going to just make sure everything is super, like tomorrow when I take my scarf off, my hair is gonna be hard, firm, in place. I'll be able to wear my hair like this for a couple days actually. I'm just like making the ponytail super tight. All right, now we're gonna go in with the scrunchie. And you need a good scrunchie, one that can actually wrap on there a few times. Lastly, I'm gonna take the ponytail and spread it apart like this, just so the hair is even tighter. All right, so this is what we're looking like so far. It's actually pretty cute if I was going to prom. Okay, so now it's baby hair time. And I left these out because I'm gonna cut them shorter. Ooh. We made that short. Just be careful, because once you cut, you can't go back. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with our mousse. Put it on our edges, wherever we want it, wherever we're gonna have baby hairs. We're gonna put that mousse on our edges. Then we're gonna go in with like edge brush, a toothbrush, whatever you have. And you're gonna begin swooping your baby hairs however you like them. And I'm kind of just swooping them into the ponytail. For the ponytail, we're gonna go in with a bit of Cantu. I'm gonna just take a bit of foundation and we're going to add it to our part, so our part is just a bit more vibrant. You can make this hairstyle a braid, a ponytail, just like a cute sleek hairdo. That's how I do my sleek ponytails with a wig. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches.